I'm about to give you everything you need to make your own knees-over-toes-guy style slant board. For those that want to support the channel or don't have the materials, tools, time, or skill set to make your own, my slant board design is available for purchase at thetibfactory.com. You can find the link in the description below. This slant board is made from 100% solid wood. I chose to use solid pine because it's lightweight, looks nice, and will be strong enough to handle heavy-weighted squats. I've already marked my boards for drilling and will explain where to mark later in the video. You will need three 3-inch wide, 19 3/4 inches long pieces of anti-slip tape, a piece of 1x6 cut to 19 3/4 inches, a piece of 1x2 cut to 18 1/4 inches, a piece of 1x8 cut to 19 3/4 inches. Inside and outside wedge pieces cut on a 24-degree angle. 1 5/8 inch number 8 wood screws. 1 1/4 inch number 8 wood screws. The internal wedge is right over 10 3/4 inches long, and the external wedge is 11 1/2 inches long. The inner wedge is 4 7/8 inches tall, and the outer wedge is 5 1/4 inches tall. To pre-drill the holes, I am using a tapered number 8 countersink bit so that the screws will sit below the surface. It's very important when using pine to make sure to pre-drill your holes to avoid any splitting. Using a drill press is a great way to ensure accuracy and keep your screws going in straight so that you don't miss your bracing pieces when you're attaching everything together. To assemble this, I'm using a works drill that can change between drilling and pre-drilling with ease. Start by connecting your outside bracing. The bottom row of holes and the top two middle holes require 1 1/4 inch screws so that you don't screw out of the bottom. All of the other holes use 1 5/8 inch screws. The holes on the border are 3/8 of an inch in to hit the center of your bracing, and the screws in the middle are 6 inches in to hit the center of your middle bracing. The holes marked on your 1x8 should be 2 1/2 inches from the top and 1 inch up from the bottom. The holes marked on your 1x6 should be 3/8 of an inch from the top and 2 3/8 of an inch from the bottom. Once your wedge pieces are secure, attach the handle from the back to the two middle support pieces. Then attach the handle from the sides to lock it all together. If you notice any rock in your slant board, you can fix this by sanding the bottom flat. I've made a sanding table to take the rock out of the slant boards, and it works really well for eliminating any extra wobble. Next, apply the anti-slip tape to the bottom row, the middle, and then the top. The tape will hide all of the connecting hardware for a clean, seamless look. And now for the finishing Tib Factory touch. There are quicker ways to build a slant board with cheaper materials like plywood or using a nail gun to piece it together, but this thing is built like a tank. It's surprisingly lightweight for how sturdy it is, and the carrying handle is an added bonus. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up so that other people can find it, and subscribe for new videos every week.